just after the last bit of attempted repairs on the coils, I went out for a ride, and the plan was to simply heat the bike up so I can do a compression test. And got my compression test all ready to go here. Funny thing happened. Number 2 cylinder came alive. So then, maybe a quarter mile later, it started running bad again, and it seemed like more than just number 1 was. Then I drove to the gas station that way, gave it gas, and all of a sudden, running normal. So let's take the temp right now. I just got back. It doesn't sound like a triple anymore. So what do we get here? Going up. Seems like number 1 is always a little higher, but I'll have to look at that. Maybe it's running a little lean. But I'm pretty happy here from the sound of it, all 4s.